When living in a coastal community like Palmetto Bay, the safety of your home is a top priority. Impact windows provide essential protection against high winds, flying debris, and hurricanes, all of which are common in South Florida. Whether you're preparing for the next storm season or simply upgrading your home's security, installing impact windows is a smart investment. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of installing impact windows in Palmetto Bay, ensuring you protect your home while increasing its value. Why impact windows? Before diving into the installation process, it's important to understand why impact windows are a valuable addition to your home. Unlike regular windows, impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand high winds and prevent breakage when struck by debris. This makes them an excellent choice for areas prone to severe weather conditions like Palmetto Bay, which is located in a hurricane-prone region. In addition to offering enhanced safety and security, impact windows also provide energy efficiency. The sturdy construction helps insulate your home, reducing energy bills. Noise reduction. Their thick glass layers help reduce outside noise, making your home quieter. UV protection. Impact windows block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture and interior from fading. Increased property value. Homes with impact windows are more attractive to potential buyers. Now, let's look at the process of installing these windows in Palmetto Bay. Step 1. Plan and prepare. The first step in installing impact windows is planning. If you're hiring a professional installation team, consult with them to ensure you're choosing the right type of windows for your home's style and needs. If you're taking on the project yourself, make sure to measure your window openings accurately to avoid purchasing the wrong size. Step 2. Obtain permits. In Palmetto Bay, installing impact windows typically requires a permit. You'll need to contact the local building department to obtain the necessary approvals. This ensures that your installation meets building codes and regulations. Installing impact windows without a permit can result in fines or complications when selling your home. Your installation contractor may assist you in obtaining permits if you're working with professionals. Step 3. Gather tools and materials. For DIY installations, you'll need several tools and materials, including impact-resistant windows, measuring tape, level, power drill and screws, caulk and sealant, hammer, pry bar, and safety gear, gloves, goggles. If you're hiring professionals, they will bring all the necessary tools and equipment. Step 4. Remove existing windows. Removing old windows is the next step. Start by using a pry bar to remove any trim or moldings around the existing window. Once the trim is removed, use your power drill to unscrew the old window frame from the wall. Carefully take out the window and clean the area, making sure to remove any debris or nails that might interfere with the installation of the new window. Step 5. Prepare the opening. Before installing the new impact window, make sure the opening is in good condition. Check the structure for any signs of water damage, rot, or mold, as these should be repaired before installing new windows. Use a level to ensure the window opening is straight and square, as this will help ensure a proper fit for the impact window. Step 6. Install the impact window. Place the new impact window into the opening. It should fit snugly but not be forced. Use a level to make sure the window is perfectly aligned, both horizontally and vertically. Once aligned, secure the window frame in place using screws. Start from the top corners and work your way around the window, making sure the frame is flush with the wall. Ensure the window is securely fastened to prevent it from shifting or being dislodged by strong winds. Step 7. Seal the edges. After the window is in place, use caulk or sealant to seal the edges. This step is crucial for preventing air and water leaks, ensuring your home remains energy efficient and protected from the elements. Smooth the caulk with your finger to ensure an even, clean finish. Allow the sealant to dry completely before moving on. Step 8. Finish the trim. Once the window is installed and sealed, it's time to finish the trim around the window. Install the interior and exterior trim according to your design preferences. This step will restore the aesthetic appeal of your home, making the new windows blend seamlessly with your decor. Step 9. Test and inspect. Before calling the installation a success, test the window by opening and closing it to ensure it operates smoothly. Check for any gaps or areas where air might be leaking. Make sure the window locks properly and that the sealant is intact. If everything looks good, you're ready to enjoy your new, impact-resistant windows. Final thoughts. Installing impact windows in Palmetto Bay is an excellent way to enhance your home's security, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. While the process may seem intimidating, with the right tools and careful planning, it's achievable. If you're not comfortable with the installation process, hiring a professional is always a great option to ensure the job is done correctly. Ultimately, the peace of mind you'll gain from knowing your home is better protected during hurricane season will be well worth the investment.